Alright, this is called the Let's Wing It. Blue Goose Road. Blue Goose Road. Look at that hill up there. Champlain Stone. There is no, oh shit. Alright, we gotta check that out. There is no shoulder. That looked like a road that went down. I have no idea where to. But it was like it wasn't, you couldn't even really see it. Like this is a, let's see, posted private property. I don't blame me. Oh, they got a whole damn farm down there. Riding along the canal, basically, or the river, whatever it is, that feeds right into Lake Champlain. It's up further, but I mean, technically, this water connects to Lake Champlain. I don't really know how far Champ travels, but. Turkeys, like, damn, turkeys. There's a lot of turkeys. It's really everywhere around here is good. You know, pretty much just like anywhere else, but I mean, it's hard. Like, with this terrain, it's hard to decide, like, where to go in at, you know? I'm sure there's like state parks and there's trails and all sorts of shit, but I'm trying to do things that are, you know, really, I don't know, just out of pocket, you know, like out of the norm. It's the way I've always been. It's the way I've always gotten things done, is thinking outside the box and just kind of winging it. So, I don't know, see what happens. Alright, what we got here? We got a little side road. Alright. This looks cool as shit to me. Like, and that's really, see, this is what I'm looking at. That and that. This is what I'm basing it off. There's a lot of houses down there. I was like, oh, it's got like 10 people's names hanging on the wood. Like, what is that? I guess down that drive is a few houses. basically, like, if you look over here, we're paralleling. Look, there's the power lines right there that feed into this whole neighborhood. There they are. But look, we're basically on the middle of this mountain over here. We're paralleling that mountain. So, like, you could see kind of how high we are. We came up halfway. I didn't want to go up all the way. Alright, let's go. Power lines would be a good spot to go, but it's hard to say. Shit, let's see, look at this. See that? It says it's posted, but it's private property. It's probably why it's groomed. So, I don't know. We'll keep driving until something feels right. Alright, it looks like, oh shit, damn it. Keeps everything says private property on it. Like, no, you know, if I knew where I was, you guys know it says posted here too. Shit. Alright. Because there's something went down there. A car went down there, a truck went down there, something. Alright. A couple of houses. Oh, they sell honey, that's cool. Wow. Let's check this out a sec. Look at how it comes down. Imagine living right next to that. Man, I'm jealous. That's some beautiful, beautiful noise. I think that collects natural runoff, natural water runoff. There's a bunch of like wires going, like, see what I mean? I mean, I don't see why you would need that with this thing here, but what do I know? Alright, let's go. Out for a drive. Man, I could listen to that sound all day. This, look how, I'll back it up. Look at how it runs down there. It gets so quiet. Look. Up by the falls, it was so loud. It's like so quiet, but it's still running. Nice and easy. I'll tell you right now, if I was a Sasquatch, I'd be right down in the air. come down to a low point. Alright. Let's keep on keeping on. Losing sunlight, so I'm probably gonna just throw in the towel for the day and see if these guys call me for the night outing, and if they do, I'll do that. I'll go find out where they're going and meet them. So I forgot to bring Sparrow. Oh God. Stop. Look at this. It's all... Oh, shit. Alright, we done fucked up. Alright. Time to go back. This is where you want to be, really. Gun laws are already, but I'm not trying to test anyone's property. I mean, it's amazing. Some of these houses are pretty small. Like this one's fairly small, but I mean, it's cool, you know. Like it's cool to be up in this area. It's nice, right on the water. A lot of property behind you. Just look at that. Just look at that small house, but look what's behind you. Beautiful. Ah, this mosquito's killing me. Let's let the camera run. Never know. Some of you guys like to slow down the footage and check stuff out. I know I do. I right now, I mean, like, I want to just have endless amounts of videos. So when, you know, when Father Time tells me it's time to tap out, you know, or something happens where, come on, buddy, where I can't go no more. I want to have a lot of footage to go back over and check some stuff. Everyone wants a Sasquatch picture, but you know, in order to get a Sasquatch picture, you gotta take photos. You gotta run video, take screenshots, whatever. Chipmunk, I think he's okay. Look at all these leaners. I mean, this could be anything. Whoa, there's so many chipmunks. It's wild. I mean, that could just be natural fall. It's pretty interesting. Yeah, they got it going on over here too. Yeah, it's got to be water. It's got to be for water runoff. That's pretty interesting. Collects water. It's gotta. I'd like to go up there. I gotta go find pants. I think I gotta buy some pants so I could go out tonight. Because I'm not gonna walk blind and scratch the shit out of myself. So we can go back to the left and up, but keep going up. I think I'm gonna head back out to the main road, or what they consider a main road. It's nice and paved. There goes one deer. Oh, if deer came skipping across here. Yeah, like, look at that. That don't strike me as an accident. Everything crosses the road here. Even up there it says it's private property, which, like, I mean, I don't see anybody it doesn't look like anybody owns it, or like there's any houses on it. I don't know, there's a trailer up there, like, but it looks boarded up. So, it's hard to say. Oh, that's where I was gonna go down before. But no, that ain't it. It's the next one. Let's see if there's anything on it. Is this it? Yeah, maybe this was it. Maybe not. Yeah, there it is. It is private, of course. Look it over here. Jesus. Definitely perfect bear country too now. That's for sure. There's all bends going into that shit up there too. Look at that. That's where they're at right there. Bang. Right back up in there. You see that whole tree's out? The whole, oh Jesus, I did that. The whole tree from the roots. Scared the shit out of myself. I can't imagine. That looks like they go right through there. I don't know what these people see, what they hear. If there's anybody in that house, it's hard to tell. Confederate flag. Okay. Alrighty. Alright, guys. curious, but to go up the hill more, but I'm losing light. So anyway, that's what I was telling you. We just kind of saw some of it. That river down there. You could see it goes all the way out of here. A lot of places to go. Endless places. Blue Goose Road. Pretty cool. Alright. Well, that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for joining the ride along on Blue Goose. That's all I got for now. I'm sure we'll do more.